Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Dualit 60144 6-slice polished toaster, and what I want to do today is to show you around the toaster and some of the features and benefits that it offers. But all I normally do is, just before we start, I'd normally say please subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. What I do is I talk about household appliances. There's quite a few sort of kitchen gadgets, vacuum cleaners, so just give us a quick subscribe, then we'll make a start. So first of all, we'll get this unboxed. I must say I do like this. At the top here it says, yeah, no frills, no gimmicks, no compromise, it must be Dualit. These are the kind of brand that they just concentrate on the quality of the equipment rather than a lot of gimmicks which some other brands want to do. As it says here, manufacturers catering equipment since 1945. As a company, I'll be honest, we've not had a huge amount to do with Dualit. We have sold several of their small appliances, so you've got the instructions here. It's something I'm not normally too au fait with, being a bloke. So what you need to do is first of all, register the guarantee. Just go onto the Dualit website when you get it. As you can see here, these instructions actually cover quite a few different toasters. So this one actually comes in either 2, 3, 4 or 6 slice toasters. So if we take the wrapping off, I do like the fact that a lot of this is cardboard or the paper. So clearly Dualit has thought of the environment, and all of this can be recycled. There are too many brands that they're still putting everything in plastic bags, and even some of the boxes are not fully recyclable. So I'm really pleased that they've kept doing this, kept this good quality ethos. So there we are, that's the toaster itself. Lovely looking toaster. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put all the packaging to one side, and then we'll start to have a look around the toaster itself. So now that I've got the toaster unboxed, what I want to do first of all is just to measure it, because there's nothing worse than buying the toaster and then realising it doesn't fit in the space or fit on your worktop. So as far as the width, and that's the main thing that will vary, you're looking around 42 centimetres or 16.5 inches. The depth, so front to back, on this you're looking around 20 centimetres or around 8 inches. And the height of it, so you're looking at around 23 centimetres or around 9 inches. So just make sure that it fits in the space before you buy it. As I say, there are other models, so if you were struggling for space for the 6-slice toaster, then it might be worth considering the 4-slice. So first of all, when you get the toaster, what it is recommended to do is just to make sure that it's level. And what I mean by that is you've got an adjustable foot on here. So the 3 other feet are static, but you have got one of the feet that you can just twist it. So if for some reason, if you worked it wasn't quite level, then you've got the ability to level the toaster up by adjusting that back left foot. And personally, I think that's great. I haven't seen it on a toaster before. But when it comes to using the toaster, it really is very easy. As it says on the box, there's no gimmicks. What they've done is they've provided a mechanical timer. So you just rotate the timer and you can hear that counting down. So the beauty of this is, for the timer to work, it doesn't even need the electricity connected, as with a lot of other toasters. All you need to do is you just need to select how many slices of bread that you want to toast. Because clearly there's no point in heating up 6 of the slots, whereas if you're only going to put in 2 slices of bread. So all you do is you just select how many you want. So it's either 2, 4 or the full 6. You will find that control is similar on the other smaller toasters, but of course it just varies with the number of slices shown. What you will find is that once you've popped your toast in, all you need to do, and that's the timer finishing. So there's no buzzer or anything at the end, it just clicks, and then that's just telling you that the toast is ready. As I was just saying, when you first put the bread in, just make sure the cheeky little handle on the front here is pushed down, and then when you want it to pop down, then just lift it up, and then when you get to the end, then what you can do is you can just raise it to take the toast out. You've also got the crumb tray on the front here. so that goes across the full width of it, so that when you want to clean it and take any debris or crumbs out, that's really nice and easy. I'm glad they put it on the front here. Quite a few manufacturers will put it on the back or around the side, which can be a little bit more difficult to get to. There are a couple of accessories that you can buy to go with the toaster. The first one is this. This is the sandwich cage. That's really designed so if you like things like toasty sandwich, I mean, we love them at home, and then what you can do is you can buy this as an accessory to turn it into a toasty sandwich maker. And the second one is a warming rack, and that's just really designed to sit on top. So if you want to just warm things through, things like croissants or some pastries, when it comes to looking after the toaster, there are a couple of things you can do as well. The first one is to reset the thermal fuse. Now, on the odd occasion, if you have got the toaster like this, and if you've heard a click, then it's not necessarily that it's faulty. It could mean that you just need to reset the fuse. And to do that, you've just got a couple of screws underneath. So once you've undone the screws on the bottom, then just take this off, and there is a little button, and you just press that in. But once you've done that, it is recommended to get the appliance pat tested, just to make sure that everything is okay. I almost feel like I need to be wearing gloves when holding this. I suppose the main other thing to mention is that when it comes to replacing the elements, in a lot of toasters, if you need to replace the elements, then it is a case of throwing it away, which is always a shame. But this isn't what dualit's about. Dualits are about a quality item, something that can be repaired. And I love the fact that you can, things like this, you can see the screws on the front here. And what you will find, that in the instructions, yes, I did refer to the instructions just to have a look through. And there is actually a page on how to replace the elements in the toaster. Now, I don't know of many brands at all that will give you the instructions to show you how to replace the elements. So I always knew this was going to be a quick video on the dualit toaster, but I just really wanted to show you around it because it's something that we've had in, and I must say I'm really impressed. And you can certainly feel with the weight of it how heavy it is compared to a lot of the cheaper brand toasters. If you're into press design, if you're thinking of ordering one of the toasters, then I have provided a handful of links below to show you where to get them at competitive prices. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Dualit 60144 6-slice toaster. Please give us a thumbs up on the video and just click subscribe on my YouTube channel, and leave any comments below, whether it's good or bad. If you didn't enjoy it, then let me know why. If you have got one of these toasters or any of the Dualit toasters, then let me know what you think about it, because I do always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.